Cancer, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with or yung taong nagbabalik sa inyo. Let's see what is happening. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Cancer. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for Cancer, please. Love, relationship, and romantic situations for Cancer. Messages, energies for Cancer. We have cold shoulder, break up, distance, separation. Merong energy ng separation or distance. Maybe you're dealing with a person from different country, okay? Merong break up. Nagkaroon ng problema because of the distance, okay? High value, the Empress, beautiful, sexy, abundant, confident. For some of you, you are a high value person, okay? You have everything. Magandang inyong trabaho. You are beautiful and sexy, very attractive, confident, okay? Message, communication, conversation, expressing feelings, okay? Merong someone na gusto kang kausapin, express kung ano ang kanyang nararamdaman, may gusto sa'yo, gusto makipag-communicate, okay? Gusto mag-build ng friendship or ng relationship with you, Cancer. Gusto kang i-text or gusto kang tawagan. Okay. Baka nahiya lang sa inyo, okay? Because you are someone na nire-respeto nila. They find you very attractive. Okay. While for some, merong energy ng break-up, hindi nagkakaintindihan, merong separation, you're dealing with an ex, okay, Cancer? Let us see what are the messages from the tarot for you. For Cancer, please, what are the messages? Energies for Cancer, and romantic situation. Merong taong gustong-gusto ka, Cancer, lagi kang nasa isip, hindi niya alam kung paano gagawin, anong naguguluhan siya, confused siya sa kanyang nararamdaman, okay? He or she wants to have a relationship with you. Okay. Yes. Okay. Meron siyang strong feeling sa'yo, Cancer, okay? Addicted siya sa'yo. Gustong-gusto ka niya. He or she is falling in love. May mga decisions siyang kailangan gawin. He or she needs to take steps, okay? Makapag-initiate siya through communication, messaging. Parang ikaw yung nagpapasaya sa taong ito. Lagi kang nasa isip niya, Cancer. Okay? Watch out also for their intentions with you. Kilalanin ng mabuti yung taong ito. Parang merong restrictions. Okay? Gusto mo rin yung taong ito, mahal mo yung tao, maybe physically, yung chemistry ninyo is undeniable, okay? But there is a problem. It's going, maybe for some of you, you are in a third-party relationship, okay? May restriction eh. Pero gusto nyo yung isa't isa. Okay? You love that person, Cancer. May gusto ka sa kanya, and siya ganun din. He or she really likes you a lot. Okay? Parang may problema. Parang hindi ganun. Walang, kumbaga, you're not free sa inyong relationship, sa inyong dalawa, okay? He or she is not free, okay? And this is something na nagbablock sa inyong affair, okay? Sa inyong relationship, love relationship, you cannot be together, okay? May kailangan kayong i-work out. Someone is dealing with two person. Yeah, lack of time. Okay, divided time and attention. Hindi mo maikakaila, okay? Merong pagmamahal. Yung physical attraction is superb. Malakas ang dating, okay? Gustong-gusto mo yung tao na to, but parang hindi pwede, may problema. Someone is dealing with two persons, so it's going to be a third party, okay? Someone gusto maging free ng person mo so that he or she can be with you officially, okay? Siguro naghahanap siya ng oras para makasama ka, and that is something na nahihirapan siya, and you are there waiting. Ito yung nagpa-problema, nagbibigay ng problema sa iyo, Cancer, because you want him or her all by yourself. Okay? Pero hindi magawa, hindi pwede because merong restriction. Yeah. For some of you, you are dealing with a person na malayo sa inyo. Gusto kanya i-meet, gusto kanya puntahan, but the problem is medyo tight pa yung budget, insufficiency of money to see you, but at the same time, pwede rin yung oras, okay? But this person really wants to see you and meet you and share the love together. And this is something na nagbabother din sa inyo. Namimiss mo yung person na to. Okay. Dapat merong cooperation and understanding of the situation. Patience is needed to make a successful or magiging okay ang sitwasyon sa inyong dalawa. Pahabain ang pasensya. Kailangan ng pag-unawa. Yeah. Someone is being left out in the cold. You need this person, Cancer. You need his or her time. Okay. Pero yung taong ito ay nasa ibang bansa. Pwedeng nasa ibang bansa, malayo. Maybe he or she is a foreigner. Okay, you're dealing with a foreigner. And it is not yet the right time na magkita kayong dalawa. Kasi kailangan pang pagplanuhan, maging handa. Not just money, but also time. Okay? Preparation is needed. Okay? Yeah. Someone is missing you. Or you miss them. Cancer, it's the other way around. Okay? Pwedeng ganun. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But there is addiction. This person keeps on thinking about you. Hindi ka mawala sa kanyang isip. Siya ganun din. Okay? Maybe the situation is so complicated right now na hindi pa kayo pwedeng magkita or magsama. Pero there's no doubt, mahal mo yung person na to. May kailangan pagdesisyonan ang inyong person. Okay? Okay. Okay, you may be in a toxic relationship or unhealthy relationship, Cancer. And kailangan mo tingnan or pag-isipan ng mabuti ang inyong katayuan, okay? Yung sitwasyon ninyo, saan ka nakalugar? Anong posisyon ninyo? Okay? Anong okay? Check the integrity of the relationship. Okay, pwedeng ganun, Cancer. So, someone is missing you, gustong makipagkita sa'yo, or it's the other way around. Okay? Mahal ka ng taong ito. The chemistry is undeniable. Nagkakaintindihan kayo. May sarili kayong mundo. Okay? So, let's see ano pa yung mga messages for you. You have to assess the situation carefully. Message please for Cancer. Messages for Cancer, please. Cancer. Playfulness. Laughter is the best therapy. Have some fun together. And remember, love is the greatest healer. Okay. Soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. Okay. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. For the heart is the gateway to the soul. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Cancer. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.